Welcome everyone. Hey, happy Friday times. How are you doing? Welcome guys. What a beautiful time. Welcome chat. Morning, good evening. Hey. Great to see you. Great to see you. How are you doing guys? Hope you're having a beautiful time. Hope you are ready for a happy Friday trading momentum right there. 75 grand on the giveaway show. Let's just distribute this in all the trading groups and enjoy. Good job, buddy. Trader 07, good job. Let's go. Hope you had a great time trading today. Indeed, you did one yesterday an account. Oh, look at this price section, guys. This is very hard to be trading for me. We are needing point number 6. Look at that. Come on. We're needing point number 6. If we are collecting that today, we're going to have more than $106,000 in the account. And it's going to be a really good chance to qualify for another $10,000 payout. And with that being said, to have sufficient money to be moved on live. Like the video, guys. We're supposed to trade something in this environment, and it's not easy at all. This is what I have on 15 minute. I'm expecting resistance a little bit higher. So we might continue climbing. Right? We might continue climbing all the way around 40s.
Order filled.
I'm opening along with 3 contracts. Testing the waters here. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Great to see you. Hope you feel better, Badger. Great to see you, buddy. Thank you guys for joining. I'm just hunting that continuation. Putting the break even there. And setting a take profit somewhere around $285. Let's see if we can do it. Hope you get soon, buddy. Hope you get better soon. Indeed. Let's go. Let's go for that nice target. It was a pretty decent entry. Come on. Bring it all the way. 32. All the way.
Order filled.
Beautiful. $270 profit. We're going to run some celebration time for that. Come on, guys. This is very important. Very, very important. Look at that. Boom. We're exploding with that. Celebration time. Yes. That's a great one. That's a great one. There might be a temporary tap here, to be honest with you. But we still have room if we look into the charts where this downtrending resistance channel line comes. It is around the 40s. And that's why we went long on that wick we had. We actually went long on a perfect entry. And it's a beautiful time, a beautiful way to start our Friday. Now, I don't believe in a additional movement, which is why I kind of exited early. I think above that is risky. It could come, but it's risky, and it's not worth holding. Plus, this $270 is extremely valuable, because today's point, I would say it's the most valuable. It kind of puts me on the 90% chance to take that $10,000 plus being moved to live. And this is very important for our community. Very important. They have the ability to see how I collected all the money on live stream, how I've been moved to live stream on the live, and the whole process, how do I trade on live as well. So this is going to be a really, really helpful experience out there. Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day. And of course, join our Discord. Let me share with you our Ticktick Trader for those of you that would like to grab your accounts for the Ticktick Trader. Instant funded, no consistency. Think about that one. Instant funded, no consistency is just nuts, right? What kind of news? Do we have any red folder? I only know about the red folder news at 10 a.m. with the Michigan data. That's what I know.
Order filled.
Opening a single contract here. Let's see if we can revisit the 34. Let's see if we can do it.
Order filled. Order filled.
3 contracts. Might be a double top there. Let's see. We might trap some more longs in the highs, which is something I would still consider. Adding a
Order
little more
filled.
here in case this holds. We had a good DCA. If it's not holding, simply I'm going to get out. Might be a double top there.
Order
Beautiful
filled.
buying pressure.
Order filled.
We only need 3 points here. A little swing to the upside.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can do it. I've learned to trade on my own by watching some resources plenty of years ago. I'm no longer in any contact with those resources. So that was a lot of the years ago. I don't know if we get this one protected once again. It's an interesting level here. If we cross that, wick we just made, yeah. I have to exit partially.
Order filled.
I accepted a loss. We haven't managed to break back to the top side. Yeah, a lot of the split testing, a lot of the resources spent during the previous years on swing trading side, so two minutes and 50 seconds. The next 15-minute candle, I think it's going to have a wick to the upside. Right, so if this is a final rejection here for this whole trend we had, I think the next candle is going to have at least a wick to the upside, even though it might be ending red by the closing time. I still think it's going to have a wick to the upside, and I might get out on into that wick, right? I might get out on that one. Happy Friday, guys. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Let's go, guys. Let me share with you links right there. Join Discord, subscribe, and all that stuff. Yeah. I can see we had a really strong continuation here, and I'm still expecting a little higher. Honestly, I'm still expecting a little higher. If we don't go to break out of the trending line, then spend some time around this level. Also, we have a golden pocket representation in between the two black lines. We have the daily VWAP on 315. So we got some good levels where we could actually react.
Order filled.
I sold basically 2 more contracts, so we have a $300 loss. I'm fine with that. And I'm
Order
fully
filled.
out here. 390. We accepted this loss, and we will see how we can adjust. Yeah. Which is why I pretty much got out of the trade to see a little more data here. This is how we have been going for the past 2 hours. The pattern is still respected, and I wouldn't be surprised if the continuation is still taking place. Let's find it out. We have a opening right here that brings some algo volume. Good morning. Have a great time, guys. Good morning, everyone. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Let's just print those numbers. Morning out there. So we already managed to create a green candle here. You're welcome, buddy.
Order filled.
Adding a little to this one.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't know if we can break out of this resistance. That's what I'm questioning, if we could actually break out of this resistance. But that's my curiosity there.
Order filled.
Adding a little more to this, we might push the markets around 33.
Order filled.
Even if it wants to reverse, I think we should spend some time at the top here doing some zigzag and allow people for late longs that are hoping for a clear breakout here to be trapped. Yeah, I don't work with fixed stop losses at all. I'm pretty much adjusting. Good morning, welcome guys. Happy Friday times. Good evening for some of you out there. We're having 2 giveaways ready. Daily bias. I don't have one, I'm neutral. I'm neutral for the moment. I'd like to see what do we do at this trending line, and then I might be able to have a different approach, but for the moment I'm pretty much neutral on this. For the short term, I'd like to see something to the upside, but this is a micro move of 5 points. Not a big deal. Would not exclude, basically, and I would find useful to be protected against reversals into the daily opening 287. Right. We could nicely do this before the breakout, if the breakout comes today. I don't know. Certainly it is a day where Michigan data, 10 a.m. EST time. Michigan numbers are representing a high impact. Road to the 6 point, exactly. That's my bias, if we could say that. But the direction is really difficult for today. I'd love to see a breakout here on the trending line, but I don't think it's going to come that easily. Michigan might send us above, and I think the markets will wait for Michigan data before they will perform a significant breakout here. So I think that's the most feasible approach, which is why I'm not trading anything for the breakout. I'm only searching for a couple of points here. Pretty aggressive on the sizing and going for little liquidity. But we're 400 down. We have accepted that temporary loss. We might be able to protect this 25 level, 24-25. If we are, then I welcome anything above 30s. Let's see. Good morning, welcome guys. Michigan data comes in about an hour and 30 minutes. That's a beautiful win rate. You want to keep trading in the same way. Certainly you don't want to mess it up. And it's interesting, guys, because let me tell you something from my experience. When we have a good session that multiplies, and we have a good sequence of sessions that are great, let's say 4 days, 5 days, 12 days, or anything like that, at a time we look back and realize how well we performed, for some reason, the more we get closer to the target we have to achieve, the more restricted we're going to be, and we changed the type of trading we had to that point. By changing the type of trading we had to that point, which is a type of trading that made the money, let's not forget about it. But usually we say, well, we only need 2 more points, only another point, and we're good to go for the payout. So I think I'm going to be more defensive. I think I'm going to be more restrictive on my risk management. Now we're going to touch the loss here. Unfortunately, this... Oh, we got saved by that one. So 410. I think that was just a single tick away.
Order filled.
Yeah. Unfortunately, this one came down. All the wicks here. Look at that. All those wicks have not managed to successfully push a little bit higher, right? Push a little bit higher here. We had some good situations with the lows getting rejected, market printing green candles there, which were engulfing, which were looking nice. But there is no double or triple green candle in a row. And we're actually, for the first time here, we have a triple lower high. We didn't have this triple lower high for a while on the 1 minute. For tons of time. Look at that. Not an issue. We still need to collect 2 more points. And we have $4,000. Yep. 2 more points and we have $4,000. That's where we are. So, what does it mean? Well, we can have a maximum of 2 more losses. I cannot have 3 losses before we actually have 2 winners. That's where we are, guys, in terms of the reality. Maximum 2 more losses. I can still digest that. But then obviously we needed 2 winners, right? So one way or the other. Max 2 losses. That's 1,500. With 2 losses we lose 3,000. We remain with 101. And with 2 winners we make 1,000. So we'll have the 2,000, which is the max payout. On 5 accounts that's going to be 10,000. And we achieved the target with that one. Beautiful. Let's set up the copy trading. With the other accounts. Wow, look at the pump here. Miserable price action.
Order filled.
I think this is going back up, guys.
Order filled.
We touched the daily VWAP. Volume weighted average price, the daily one has been touched there. We had a prompt reaction from that one. Let's see if we can sustain.
Order filled.
Yes, I can adjust my loss to 1,000. But the mathematical, numbers are fine. There's still room for 3,000, which means exactly 2 losses. And with another 1,000 I do, there's going to be more than 2,000, which is enough for the payout. Pretty interesting here. Looks like things are changing. Looks like this is not just a temporary sell-off. Yeah, the limit of the losses are set by me on the settings. VWAP is missing its proper reaction.
Order filled.
200 EMA as well. And we got stopped out over here too. Pretty hard. Yeah. Didn't work today. Certainly didn't work today. We just have a non-stop selling pressure domination. Look at that. We have a decent level here on the 5-minute. Moving on to my Sim Pro accounts for tap on futures. Let me just connect my Sim Pro accounts.
Order filled. Order filled.
This is an interesting level. Previously we got decent reactions here around the 295. Yeah. We got some numbers moving around. We're still in a decent position, like I said. If we have 2 more losses, then it's going to be pretty difficult, because then you have no more room. So you have to make your winners. And that's something that could be complicated without having no more bullets of safety. We have 2 more bullets of safety right there. Let's see what just happened. Rate cuts are sitting on 94%. The target probabilities for 29th of October, it's 94%. And only 5% for a pause. Nothing. It's like an invented name. Pretty unique. Fed Watch tool. Right? You want to search that on Google. Or let me share with you the link in the chat, guys, for those of you that would like to see. Fed Watch tool. We're pretty fine for 29th of October, sitting on 95%. 10th of December as well is going for another round of rate cuts. But we got this pressure here without any significant bouncing. So I got hurt by this one. Yeah. Haven't checked that, but thank you. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. We are getting ready for the giveaway, which is going to start a little later, of course. But you want to join our Discord. So basically, we traded our Ticktick trader. You got the link for that. We're trading right now the top 1 futures. I just sent you the link, guys. We're trading the top 1 futures. And we're going to trade Salvius as well.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can do something out of it. I'm leaving this one open for the moment. Our target is at 1,800. That's what I'd like to do. $1,800 on this account. It's going to be the 3rd day of 1,800 if we successfully achieve that. Looks beautiful for the moment. Putting the stop loss on break even, guys. Look at that one. Keep going. Wow. Certainly did not expect it, a 5 points retracement here in the 1 minute candlestick. Look at that one, guys.
Order filled.
And we touched the break even. What's going on here with the smart price action? What a scam, right? What a massive scam. I'm not relonging this for the moment. I'm waiting for the daily opening to be touched. Look at that one. This might just continue down into the daily opening to 87. I don't know. We had a great trade, pretty well positioned on the sizing. That got fully knocked out. Daily opening is right there, guys. $10 points away. Yeah, you have a golden pocket there, a daily VWAP there, 200 EMA around that level, anywhere between 310, 315. Certainly no idea. Yes, you can flip. You can indeed flip. Yes. There is no minimum profit per day needed to be achieved. Good day, Adrian Lorenzo. Blessings. Have a good one. Wish you an amazing time. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Let's go. Come on. 2 more points needed to be achieved here. We got 5. We need 7. And there's $4,000 in the balance. That's a good job, buddy. You can request your payout Saturday morning. You can request your payout even if it's not a business day. You can do that on Ticktick Trader as far as I'm aware. Good job. Congratulations, buddy. What a great community we're building on Discord. Make sure to join us, chat. Day number 5, 2 more needed. Looks like we are on the same batch. We also have day number 5. We ended up in a loss today. We still have 4,000 more and 2 more points needed. I'm thinking about lowering my max loss to 1,000. And I think that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna lower my max loss to this 5 accounts that I'm gonna, that I'm copy trading here to 1,000 instead of 1,500. I'll set my global instructions for 1,000, liquidate in black. You know what that means? If we have 1,000, then from 2 max losing days, I increase it to maximum 3 losing days. Right? And we had someone in the chat here giving me a good idea earlier. Enzo Rain. He questioned if I could adjust my max loss to 1,000 just to be safe. And if I think about it right now, he is right. Because if I adjust this to 1,000 instead of 1,500 daily max loss, then instead of having 2 max losses, I will have 3 max losses possibilities before we gotta do those 2 points. And that obviously makes sense. Yeah, I'm definitely watching the other price action. Look at that. This is interesting. Obviously, this one's down, right? The price action tells us that this is looking forward to going down. Like on a personal account, you would execute like this. Where to the daily opening, 287. This is how you would execute on a personal account. Stop loss above, place of invalidation. You would set pretty quickly on break even, right that. This is how you would trade on a personal account. If we would be live, this is how we would trade this. Moving your stop here. $70 secured if we get there trailing.
Order filled.
We've touched that. Exactly. It would be very rare to have 4 losses. Because with 3, I'm still in the books. With 3. That's $3,000. It's going to be 1,000 daily. No more 1,500 for this account. So with 3, I'm still in the books. I'm not losing the account. The accounts. With 4, I'm in trouble. But with 3, I still have the next day. So if I have 3 in a row, which if I show you the stats on all the accounts, it never happened. Nor here, 3 in a row. Never happened. Ticktick Trader stats. Let me show you the stats on Ignite accounts that we trade for a while on Tap 1 futures. Right, look at that. This is for October. We don't have 3 days of daily losses in a row. This is the place we have the 1,000, so we could actually relate. Exactly, we have the 1,000 here on the Ignite. We only have a single loss this month, and previous month we had 2 losses in a lot of the green days. Look at that. Totally the accounts, we're having 3 losses and a lot of the winners, right? Exactly. Takes the pressure nicely. Good job. That's a good one, Enzo. That's a good one. Thank you for contributing on that. You see, guys, this is the importance of a constructive community. My first point was that I still have room for 2 losses, but instead of having 2 losses, why not having a max of 3 losses? Which is much better than having max 2 losses. And obviously it makes sense. And I've already experienced the $1,000 max loss per day on my Ignite account, so it's not something that I have not experienced. You see what happened here? We moved the break even pretty quickly, and then look what just happened, guys. Without touching the daily opening. We front run the daily opening. Daily opening is on 87.75 and we just went down to 89. And even with 3 losses in a row, day by day, I still have my last shot. So I'm losing if I have 4 losses. I'm losing the account if I have 4 losses in a row. It could happen, but the chances statistically are very, very low. This is a nice move we have so far right there. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Like the videos, be subscribed, join our Discord, do everything that's needed. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. 8 AM EST time. Look at the markets having their momentum. I wanted to see what's happening on the BTC as well and share with you. Bitcoin chart. It's pretty much dealing with the same downtrading resistance line here. If we break above, it's going to be a really good scenario for the all-time high discussion once again in the second part of October. And the same story goes along for the altcoins. But for the moment, Bitcoin looks fine here at the top. It's not looking dead. And the US dollar Might get some retracements from the recent pumping momentum we had. Might have some difficulties continue here. Let's find it out on daily. No, actually we're going to find it out on 3-day candlesticks. We're touching this level here, guys. Anything between the two blue lines I made is going to act as a supply, which means we'll reject the price section of the dollar. Personally, I'd love to see a barcode pattern here, a range, and then a further continuation in 2026 below 96, right? So we had a double bottom with an engulfing on a 3-day candlesticks right there. Let me share with you. Double bottom engulfing. Pretty strong signal with a continuation into 99, but very unlikely to cross the 100s and follow through a continuation without at least spending some time here. Yep. New all-time high today. Depends on the news. Michigan is going to play an important role. And for the moment, it's really hard to rely on something serious other than blind speculation or any kind of desire that we would love to see on the market. So we're trying to tell the markets from this standpoint. Looks like I got disconnected for a moment. No news today. We don't have Michigan today. It's still the shutdown, right? So we need to allow the price action and the markets to do their job. And then we're the ones reacting to the performance of the market instead of vice versa, right? So we shouldn't let the markets react on us. We are the ones reacting to the market. We don't trade and then hope the market delivers. We see the market wants to dominate in a direction and we react to that language that is being offered. That's what we should do, guys. You can definitely do that. Michigan is not the government, indeed. It has nothing to do with that. Correct. You're right about it. That's gonna be in less than an hour. Yeah, that's right. We're about to touch the daily VWAP here. So I don't know what to do. I'm waiting. Might be a bull flag here, guys. Look at this. If it has the impulse needed. Printing a flag at this moment. One minute could deliver that. Let's see, guys. I'm not really trusting it sufficiently. An entry around the 300s would be interesting for the 1 minute candles. Hope you have a beautiful day, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Time to like the video, time to be subscribed and join our Discord. Here's the Discord. Any questions, anything related to the prop firms and trading, make sure you ask us right there. Golding's finding temporary support here on a 4,000. We had a big drop in the price very recently. So we'll still have to trade a lot of the accounts here. Let me see if I can trade my Ignite, which are having a target of $500. We can
Order
test out a
filled.
little short here. In case the buying pressure will not be triggered. In case they don't want to defend this. That was a complete buyback. This is a nice algo trading. Looks like a handle that wants to go to the upside, but the question is trading that easy? That from obvious patterns we get the obvious outcomes. Like, do we always short at the supply? Do we always buy demand, support, and all that stuff, right?
Order filled.
I will accept a loss there. You know, the stop loss here might not be sufficient room. But then I could open the doors for a higher level. And the problem is, it could go sufficiently high for my daily loss of 1,000 to be touched if I open up the room here. That's why I'm putting my stop loss to a place where it's not the most efficient place. It's not. My entry was on a strong candle of red color at some point that totally disappeared. Let's see what's gonna happen here. It's still undecided in terms of Bull's domination, so there is room for us to surprise. You know, the thing is, we could touch that 313 and still be bearish, which is why it's a bad trade from this standpoint. It's not invalidating the shortener's possibility shorting right that level. I'm putting a stop loss right above that candle, guys. Assuming that if we would reverse this, we would also touch my higher stop loss, so it's not worth to leave the room. Look at the Friday price action. This is what happens on Fridays. Completely nonsense. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. 2 more points needed to be collected on my Ticktick trader. This one. We have 5 points, 2 more points needed. And we're good to go for a $10,000 payout.
Order
plus.
filled.
We touched the stop loss there. If I long it, will it reverse? What do you guys think about?
Order
Let's do
filled.
a test. Look at that.
Order
No, let me
filled.
take that $130. It just went up, and now it's going to my target. It was a short. Look at that. Oh my god. So the price action data is not working. You gotta be gambling to make money here, and if it plays out, it's fine. If it's not, it's good, whatever. Look at that. Both. I trade also under my name and under my company's name as well. I'm trading in both ways. 10 a.m. Michigan data.
Order filled.
Are we capable of breaking above this one? What do you guys think about? Just to wick above the structure, just like we have wicked down. Creating some liquidity. In a pretty good place. It's registered in a pretty good place. Pretty safe place financially. I'm a European citizen of European Union. Yeah. Finally, we got the rejection from the daily VWAP. Finally. After numerous situations.
Order filled.
Look at that. They want to reverse this. They're not only... So market makers are not only watching the live stream, they're also reading our live chat. Think about it. Because the moment you say we're going down, it just rips to the upside. Right? So it's not just the live stream, it's a complete model of screening, live stream plus live chat, for the highest efficiency of manipulation. Let's go, guys. Like the video, be subscribed. We got our internal jokes. Do not blame me. Exactly. Like, this is a wild price section. I should be sitting out. It's too late right now for me to desire that. We're gonna get our daily loss touched. Absolutely beautiful. What a price section here. So I'm not gonna trade right now. We're still profitable this month. You see, I cannot have any winners run. No, because of the consistency of equity stability score and stuff like that. Let me connect the other two Ignite accounts. You have to grab some official advisor and consultancy for that matter. It's something that I also did. Depending on the residency of your country, you have to see, in terms of your financial jurisdiction, what are your freedoms and limitations of doing such. And someone that is from your country, an expert in the field, will be able to help you. This is really custom, and it has to be addressed based on your country and based on your experts. It's all down to the jurisdiction you guys are coming from, on which you gotta adjust and see what kind of freedoms do you have and what kind of possibilities. This is a decent situation here for me to test it out. I told you about the 300s. Today's been pretty ugly.
Order filled. Order filled.
The price section is just nonsense. It's not a surprise that it's nonsense right now. After we seed, it became nonsense. At the time we were participating with activity, it had a sense, right? So the language that was communicated to me was basically the one triggering the trades. You know, I'm questioning the daily opening here. 287. Exactly. Consultancy at many levels. And then have the best decision out there. Our Discord is right here, guys. Make sure to join us. I also want to trade my Savius accounts. Where once we did 30 minis. Real estate, which is something I've been part of in the past, real estate. As a family business. Beautiful. Beautiful reaction there. Target has not been touched because this is what happens on Fridays. Today, things are reversed, upside down. But we got the pressure needed here with the algos right before the market opens, with the 5-minute algos, right? You're good at one. We're pretty close to the payout. And really far. Close and far at the same time. I don't think this is going down too much at the opening, let's put it that way. I think this is also going to have some movements to the upside quite soon, whether we talk about right at the opening or right as soon as we have a fake movement to the downside. Let's just wait it out, guys, and see. I got the fireworks ready. I just wanted to know to let the... I just wanted to let the market makers know about that one. If they wish to deliver 307, I got the fireworks ready. I'm not going to disappoint them, guys. I got them ready. Two minutes to go. Pretty wild out here. Whoa, look at that. The target has not been touched, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Let's get ready with some numbers. One minute to go. Let's see what we get, guys. Stop loss or the target? Weird price action. Like if this would be the situation on a live account, I wouldn't trade this.
Order
Come on.
filled.
Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. 29 seconds to go, so we got times for the fireworks. Let's just put together a nice show. Come on, finally, we had the first target today. Oh, celebration time. 10 more seconds to go. And here we have the opening bell. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. Let me set up my copy trading for the other Sim Pro accounts. We went up right before the market opened, so we could basically dump the whole thing, right? Look at that. I think
Order
this is
filled.
going lower.
Order filled.
Let's wait and see. Pretty powerful to the upside. Oh. With Ignite, you need the equity stability score. You gotta achieve that equity stability score of 20% equity stability score.
Order filled.
I sold half of my position. This is pretty brutal.
Order filled.
I'm out right there. Wow, look at that, guys. It's just ripping. We didn't touch the daily opening. What a situation we just faced here. Look at that, guys. Not even at the market opening. The daily opening 287 has not been touched, which is something I've been going for. Get to that daily opening and then you can fly or take me back into the fixed range volume profile line. There's also a pivot point 255 that has not been delivered. We have actually front run the daily opening 287, 288. Not just unexpected, but totally unexpectable. Look at that one. Let's just go ahead and trade our Savius accounts. Today, it was the worst day of the week. Certainly. Worst day of the week. Testing out a little long here for a retest of the highs. Bring it up, guys. Or do we just retrace the whole thing back below 300s? And the whole pump we had was fake? Sitting on my target on 340s. Let's go, guys. Come on, 340s. What a denial. The stop loss is on 315. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, get those numbers ready. We're having nice giveaways. Looks like it's ready to fly. Stop loss and break even. Come on. Beautiful. The target has been touched, guys. $1,500 right there. It's important because this is the second day. 3 more days needed for the Savius accounts, and we are taking the payout. 3 more days like that. At least we made it here, right? Let's trade the next account as well. We got once again rejected by that damn resistance line. The Ignite accounts are no longer available for purchase. Look at this one, guys. We're about to break out. Let me share with you the 15-minute representation. We're about to print a nice breakout here. We're printing. I don't know if this is going to get confirmed. But that could be interesting. What a strong opening. Oops. Let me stop that. For the moment, of course. This is a level of short, guys. Temporary short, couple of points. The question is if I want to take it. That's a massive breakout. It's confirmed so far. Bitcoin is also moving. Cryptos are moving too. We're happy to see that. Because the Russells, many Russells are moving. Russell 2000. That's what the altcoin season needs. Adding a little bit to this one, guys. I think this is continuing to push. Putting a break even there. And my target on the 1,500. Come on. Break even has been touched. We made 80 bucks. I am buying back to this. We're going to be pretty tight with break even as soon as we get some profitable numbers. Feel like we have to. Right, let's just get above 71 this way. And I'm leaving this one open. We got break even set up. Come on. Keep going. No, we got the break even touched. I'm waiting. I think this is going a little bit higher. So I got into 2 contracts right there. Let's see. Putting the break even. No, we haven't touched any take profit. Just the break even once again for the 3rd time. We're having $184 profit from the break evens. Next candle that we have might close green, guys. Let's see. Putting the break even. Break even has been touched. We got 240 total profit. Could have been much more, right? But you see, it's not easy to trade here where there is supply. And the rejections could actually step in at any point with 20, 30 points. Retest of the line we broke, we could see that. I mean, 5 minute looks bullish. One minute is receiving sufficient pressure. We're absorbing the sellers nicely. Look at that. Absorbing the sellers nicely. The price action is still looking comfortable for a long here. Putting the stop loss on break even. We need 5 more points to the upside. No, stop loss has been touched, break even touched. Gotta wait. Look at that, it's going, guys. This would have touched my target. This would have touched my target. And I had 4 times, 4 different longs. All of that got break-evens. So I stopped forcing. And the market just starts running. Yeah. We could have retraced it 20-30 points, and with my sizing of 5 minutes and stuff like that, that's not a good business. Right, so definitely got to play the tight stop loss scenario. Are we going higher? I think yes. Let's see, guys. I think yes. Stop loss and break even. And the take profit there. Stop loss has been touched. Break even. Look at that. Pretty dangerous level here. Market makers are definitely looking forward here. This is the major point of their source of information, guys. It's the major source of information. We can't deny that. We see it with our eyes. Based on what we do and what we talk in the chat, it is delivered. Are we going to see some Michigan news out here bringing us above all-time high? Russells are delivering, you know, Nvidia holds nicely. 193 is very good for Nvidia. The S&P is about to break out here. We have a decent situation for the S&P to attack that all-time high. Michigan could give it to us. All-time high around 65. I just want to see basically Bitcoin as well attacking the all-time high, which looks like it's not happening. 5-minute rejection coming in, guys. Five-minute rejection. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Basically, we're trading our Savius accounts that are marked right there. You can find out more. I think this is going down a little more. Let's see. Do I get punished, or this is going down a little more? Keep going, buddy. Come on, break below that level. Adding a little more to this. And I'm out. 1,448. Great one, guys. Great one, guys. The target has been touched here as well. Let's just run some fireworks. Boom! Here we go with the fireworks. We got you. Finally. We got you. Boom! Finally, we got you, guys. So on both accounts on Savius, we managed to do the target 1,500. Look at the sell-off here. Happy Friday times. Market is pretty wild. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Yes, I'm trading all the accounts every day on live stream. We got into our VWAP 325 daily volume weighted average price. We just touched that and we're bouncing already. Look at that. And we might be bouncing sufficient to close the 5-minute candle above the trending line. Let's just wait and see, guys. Let's just wait and see. I'd like to see how does the market reacts on the Michigan data. And after the Michigan data, which is happening in about 7 minutes, we're doing the giveaways. Right, so we've traded today our Ticktick trader, and that's the link. We're traded our Tap 1 futures, and that's the link, and the Savius also, which I pretty much attached right here. Let's find it out. How does this candle closes? Towards that trending line. Pretty curious about it. Been watching Bitcoin and totally dumped. It managed to pump $1,000 and now it's down $1,000. The usual Friday price action. No surprise. Not yet. We still have 2 more points to do, guys. For the Ticktick trader, we still need 2 more points, and then we will collect basically more than $10,000 in our live wallet. Here is the Ticktick trader performance. 2 more points needed. We need 7 green days. And then we have sufficient for the live. It's going to be pretty exciting, guys. I hope we're going to make it next week. And by the end of the month, we're going to trade live on Ticktick Trader. I hope we get there. Let's see, what do we get from this candle? Yeah. Looks like we closed slightly below the trending line, but not below the daily volume weighted average price. Five more minutes to go and Michigan data comes out. Markets will act heavily on that, especially we're speaking about a Friday. You never want to underestimate Fridays in terms of difficulties for trading. I would say it's the hardest day. Specifically for me, it's the hardest day. I don't know, the price action is just showing me something and it's doing the other thing compared to what is acting on the other business days. I think that's where we are with it. Pump and dump. We got you. We got you with a pump and dump here. 15-minute might close above that trending line, guys. The 15-minute might get that trending line. Look at it. We needed about 340s. And Nvidia is going the opposite side. Look at that. Nvidia is going to cross the $200 mark. Not today, but October, November. I don't know about December for Nvidia. Not too enthusiastic about that one. But October, Bullvember could give you that 215, 220s. Now, Bitcoin is doing the usual stuff with the liquidity on Fridays. It's just wiping out people that are over leveraged till they learn their lesson, right? We have the space of crypto too over leveraged, right? So usually people prefer learning the hard way. Like you deposit $1,000 and you trade with $50,000 in a trade. 50x leverage. Think about the madness behind. And they are still expecting to make money, right? Such services would not exist if you would make money. Less than 2 minutes to go for the news, and the 15-minute looks like it's capable closing above the trending line, so clearly the bulls are here celebrating. We have a 95% chance for the rate cut, which is happening at the end of the month. Less than a minute to go. And we're having a great time preparing for the weekend. And then we resume Monday. I think Monday is a normal business day. We don't have anything scheduled there. I think normally Monday is going to be a normal busy day. No idea. Certainly no idea. Haven't checked, haven't verified anything about the Michigan stuff. Haven't researched right now for the set of information. It's a bank holiday Monday. Haven't checked that, guys. Alright, so pending for the news. We're gonna have a long weekend, right? Pending for the news, watching the price section. $55 higher than expected on the consumer sentiment, and inflation expectations are less than expected, which is beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. It would actually hurt the markets to have an inflation expectation above 5. That was a pretty strong mark. Consumer sentiment as well is higher than expected. The forecast was 54.1. This is good, guys. Certainly this is good. Great. Beautiful. Yeah, we make great money. We make great money. And now it's time for something else. It's time to celebrate. Time to have some fun. And time to prepare. How do you join? Time for the giveaway. Like the video. Be subscribed. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. (8 a.m. EST time). And join our Discord. Right, these are the 3 things you gotta do, as usually. These are the 3 things you gotta do. I'm giving you a couple of days of couple of seconds of doing your job, and we're getting started. Just wait. Wait, guys, wait. Who said to start? Alright, so there's one guy who said start. Okay, we're gonna ban that guy. He's gonna be on timeout for 24 hours. He's gonna be banned for 24 hours. No, actually, I'm gonna exclude him from the channel. He is fully banned. He's not gonna resume on this channel anymore. He received a permaban, so he can relax. Let me see. The ultimate. Alright, so we're gonna ban this guy as well. Hide user from the channel. He also received a permaban. Game over. 2 guys are fully wiped out. Relax, guys. Do not play these games. Let's go, guys. You can start right now. Let me know your numbers. Only 1 guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Do not get Trader Soma. What are you doing, buddy? Only 1 guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. And do not play dirty games with our community. We're not going to allow it. It's a $25,000 Top 1 Futures Sim Pro account, instant funded, right? That's what's going to be. And we got to stop right there. No more. That's it. No more guesses. This is the first giveaway. We're having 1 more. The second one will be the Ticktick Trader. If you are having restrictions for that, do not participate. Let's shuffle this a few times and we're good to go, guys. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Let's go. We got a double 4. We're not going to stop there. It might be that green number 2, guys. What do you think about? Might be that green number 2. And it's the number 2. Congratulations. Look at that one, guys. What an extreme difference between the number 2 and the number 3. Wow. Congratulations for the winners. We're moving to the duck race. We're moving to the duck race. Look at that. We got the guy on our Discord saying that he was just joking. He was joking, but we were not joking. So, 40 players right there. 40 winners. 1 minute competition time. Are you guys ready? Let's go, start. Let me know your big skills right there. I had a very precise break, stopping exactly before number 4. Extremely, extremely rigged. It does listens because I'm the market maker of the wheel. That's how it works. I'm the market maker of the wheel. We're joking, guys. We're joking. Come on. Keep pushing. Ten seconds to go, guys. Come on, keep pushing. Oh. 4 seconds. Who's gonna speed up? Scott. We got you, Scott. You're the winner, buddy. Congratulations, $25,000. Sim Pro account, instant funded. We got a Scott Bell right there. We got you, buddy. Congratulations. Congrats. For those of you having country restrictions, do not join. Congratulations, buddy. Reach out to me on Discord. So, once again, for those of you that have joined late, like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Start. Let me know your numbers. Come on. Let's go, guys. You can start right now. This is a $50,000 Ticktick Trader account. 50 grand. $50 grand right there. Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus. Stop, no more. That's it, no more guys. You can stop right there. You can stop right there, no more. If you were guessing afterwards, it's over. Let me shuffle this a few times and one more time and we're good to go. Good luck everyone. Let me know which number do you want so I can play with the brake pedal. Let's go guys with the brake pedal. Who has it? Who has the brake pedal? Good luck everyone. We got a double 5. We're not going to stop there. We're not going to stop there. We just went... That's going to be... That yellow number 5. What do you think about that one? What do you guys think about that yellow number 5? I think that's where we stop. And there you go. We just pushed it out. Slide into number 5. Good job. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations. Great job, guys. Great one. We had 40 winners. And now 31. So what happened with the number 5, which used to be the one where we had 45, 50, 60 winners? Highest popularity guess disappeared. Let's start, guys. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Come on. Let's go. Finally, this is going to be your chance, guys. $50,000 straight to funded plus. Ticktick Trader, instant funding. Take the account, make money, get paid. Have a good weekend, guys. For those of you leaving, have a lovely time. Pretty long weekend because Monday is a bank holiday, so we resume trading on Tuesday. Keep that in mind. We resume trading on Tuesday. Monday we got a bank holiday. 15 seconds to go. Enjoy your long weekend. 10 seconds to go. Who's gonna speed up right now? What kind of surprise do we get? And we got the Spider-Man, Lamro. Finally, Lamro is gonna make it. Look at that, guys. Finally. He's making it. That's crazy. Hey. Look at that one. Finally, he's making this. Oh my god. Finally. Congratulations, buddy. That was a great one. I know. I had like 200 messages from Lamro praying for the last couple of months to win a giveaway. Now you have the chance. You have the chance, and think about it. To donate the account back to the community. You have this amazing opportunity to donate your account back to the community. Think about it. Congratulations once again. You've been praying for months, and now you have this chance. However, enjoy your day, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Monday, bank holiday. We're looking forward to it. Good. Good. So, we're looking forward to it on Tuesday, guys. Have a lovely time. Have a lovely day. Enjoy your weekends. Careful with the trading. Today it's pretty wild. It's nonsense. And you saw what happened. If you look into my live stream, you saw what happened. It's been one of the hardest days. However, we continue on Tuesday. Any questions, you're welcome. Any situation, you're welcome on my Discord. Have a lovely day. We're looking forward to it.